PlantMaster plugin, all you need to do is go up to Help, scroll down to Install Partner Products, and then once that opens up, you're going to look in the left menu here for Landscape, and our plugin will be here, and upon release this will be with our logo and a better description, but all you have to do, click there and install. I'll generally just relaunch Vectorworks, and that will restart with it. Once Vectorworks is reloaded, you'll be able to go up to Window, click on Palettes, go down to Web Palettes, and then you'll find PlantMaster in the list here. And that will open up this little mini modal window that is able to be minimized if you need, but that will allow you to log into our site.